Hello everyone, White D586 here. Today we're going to be unboxing the MercyMe, the Christmas sessions. You can see Fair Trade Services. The spine is the same on that side. And let's get this open. I think it's starting to rip from here. Not sure. Oh yeah, a little bit. There we go. All right, it's unwrapped. It's a little booklet. There's a disc. Kind of looks like a record. Just the back of it, just their website. There's the disc. Back in there. Get that book out. Lyrics to the songs, so if you wanted to sing along with them, you most certainly could. You can read that, thanks. Records. You got the rest of those. More thank yous. And really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Put that book in here, back in there where it belongs. So with that being said, thank you for watching.